What's up guys, it's Chris with Globus Gates and we just did another fantastic installation. Check this out. This is our Alu 40 series for the balcony. As I said guys, our aluminum is heavy duty, structural grade, actually the thickest on the market, and you can check it out for yourself. We give you the best quality materials for the best prices on the market. Why is it happening? Easy guys, we make it ourselves and the material is made in US. We're licensed, bonded and insured, and we give you the best quality for the best price possible on the market. You can get 50 different quotes, we'll bid them all. Check out this wonderful installation of the balcony railing we did. Structural, heavy duty aluminum. It's gonna last forever and it looks fantastic. And check it out, we also did a match and design gate. I will show it to you right now. And that's the match and design side gate I was talking about. We got horizontal slats, all aluminum, and as you can see right there, it matches the balcony almost 100% match with the design. It's just on the balcony we decided to do a little bit bigger gap. But anyways, here we got structural aluminum, heavy duty stuff, very strong. As you can see, super strong. Gives you just enough privacy. Actually, this one we did half an inch spacing in between, so it's still somewhat visible. Like you can see the person standing behind it, but you can't really see inside what's happening there, you know what I mean? And then we did standard size holes for the locks, so you can get whatever locks you like. If you want to do keypad, fingerprint locks, it's no problem. So in Globus Gates, like I said, we get the best price for the best quality of the job you need, custom designs, whatever your project is looking like, we can get you covered on that. Check it out in our Instagram page or come to our showroom location, which is in North Hills. Globus Gates.